I'm Greg Zanis, and I'd like to show you a little more about the tunnel system. Of course, this is dreamcar123.com, and you can also go to our webpage. Down here you'll see some sections that we're working on, and they're 1/12 scale of course, the tunnel and how the car will go through the tunnel. I'd also like to show you that this is a multi-tiered, and this tunnel will have a lower level going that direction and an upper level going in the opposite direction. And of course this is trying to show you how the cars will cross each other in the tunnel system. Also, they'll cross over the top and under the bottom of the system. The cars will continue on through the intersection. Now, I'm planning to add to this model the switch track, which will show the car will come around and go to the lower section, and also go around and go into the bottom part of that section. Before the car comes to a cross section, it's going to be coming up the hill. You see this one's slanted up a little bit until it gets up to this point to get us past this. So they're not going to be on the same ground level, but this tunnel section is only 6 foot tall and 8 foot wide. It's not very large. Pretty much these will be able to go in your neighborhood anywhere. Wherever there's a sidewalk, there will be almost double the width of the sidewalk, but they won't be as wide as a regular highway or a road. And then I'm going to also, like I said, I'm going to build a couple of curved pieces to show you how they're going to go into the next section. And of course back here, this will be precast, very similar to this section here. What we'll do is we'll precast the bottom, and then we'll build atrium pieces over the top, and then we're going to cover these in glass. So these can be short and or, let me show you one that's just a little bit longer here, or longer, like this section here. And it'll be precast. You'll be able to set them up anywhere like that and just have a few posts holding them in place. The entire project, including all of the wedges, are cast on a factory type site and then hauled to the locations where they'll be set up. And of course behind me here I've shown you this section of tunnel system that's approximately 7 miles long, and then also the smaller section here, which will be about 60 feet long. We would like to build these in 60-foot sections with little piers holding them in place, so they won't actually have a foundation. It'll be very easy to get across country and build these things precast. And I'm Greg Zanis. I wanted to explain to you a few minutes about what we're up to. And if you could please subscribe to our videos and webpage, you'll see progress as it's unfolding. And I'm Greg Zanis, and I'd like to also mention that we're using a new high-definition camera now. And thank you very much.